Artificial intelligence has learned to think. Now, it's learning to act. Traditional AI lives inside screens, analyzing data, predicting outcomes. But the real world needs intelligence that can see, move, and respond. This is physical AI, the fusion of artificial intelligence with physical systems. Machines that don't just compute, they interact with the real world. Physical AI combines sensors, computer vision, machine learning, and robotics. It observes its environment, makes decisions in real time, and takes action, just like a human. From smart factories and autonomous vehicles to healthcare robots and intelligent warehouses, physical AI is transforming how industries operate. It increases efficiency, improves safety, reduces costs, and enables businesses to scale faster than ever. The future isn't humans versus machines. It's humans powered by physical AI. Physical AI isn't the future we're waiting for. It's the intelligence already moving our world forward.